Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair collab, and today I will be collabing with Superbwigs. If you like how I got this look, then keep watching. I did end up bleaching the lace. I did not apply this wig straight out of the box. Also, this wig is a 360 lace, which means you can glue this all the way around from the front to the back and around your ears. So you can even put it into a ponytail, whatever you would like. That's what a 360 means. I honestly was skeptical on how this hair was going to turn out. Like, I honestly didn't know. This was my first time honestly wearing a bob. This hair did come already cut, and it did come colored. I didn't do nothing but bleach the lace. And also, y'all, like, I don't know, I just didn't think that this was going to look right, but it did end up turning out to be a 10 for me. It is a look. Y'all did love it on Instagram, so This is the final look. This is how my hair turned out, y'all. I was definitely in love with this look. This definitely was cute. It did bring out my face a lot. Like, it brought a lot of attention to my face. If you like this wig, you could get this wig using my discount code to get money off. The link to this exact wig will be in the description box, as well as my discount code. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. And y'all, I definitely loved collabing with Superbwigs. Go shop with them. Go look on their website. They have other things than just this types of wigs, like, you know, bundles, headband wigs, you know, you name it. So yes, y'all, go shop and check out their website. As I said before, this wig did come already cut, so I want to give y'all a back glance. Like, y'all, this cut was clean as, like, it was clean. Trust me, it was worth it. Well worth your money. It come pre-colored and all that. It can wash, flatten, curl. Like, it's a 10 out of 10.